Sunday flex with the fam bam. Who's ready for the race? Who's going?
Me.
Oh, Sarah, you going because you're stationed. You can't move.
Wow, it's getting hotter and hotter.
Getting hotter and hotter.
Yeah.
That's because it's on the fire. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's Sunday morning flex with my babies in the kitchen. What are we making? Say morning to the Faves.
What one? You know exactly what we're making, Mario too.
They don't make it tell them.
And porridge.
Sarah, look. Look, Sarah. Say good morning. Look. Say good morning. Good girl. Say how are you?
Bubbles.
Say how are you?
Bubbles. There's volcano. There's volcano.
Tell what kind of porridge we're making.
Let's see. They need to guess in the comment section below.
Alright, tell them.
And you
Tell
need,
us, say you need to guess in the comment section below if you didn't hear him just now.
yes, and when the next minute starts, you need to have the answer. So we
Okay.
are waiting.
We are waiting. What you gonna do to wait? Turn.
Look at the clock.
1 minute later.
No.
And Sarah is just here touching everything. No! Don't do that.
Oh.
Good girl. You're really looking at the clock for 1 minute before you tell them? You're too funny.
Okay,
No
so
climbing.
now you should have the answer.
And the answer is...
The person that has the right answer gets a green tick. The person that
Get a
has
what?
a green tick.
A green tick.
Yes,
Okay.
but the people that didn't get the answer.
The who?
The people that
Not peoples.
the
persons.
The persons that didn't get the good answer get a red tick.
Get a red tick. So are you on the red tick team or the green tick team?
So the answer is planting.
Planting for the win! Tell I love a planting for it. Yes! Planting for the win! Planting porridge! Planting porridge! Sarah love ripe planting when we fry it. She been eating planting every morning all week last week. Anyway, you guys, so we are here making porridge, just roll out of bed and getting the kids some breakfast. Yes. So that's what we're here doing right now. Baby's still in bed. So we're just getting through our morning. Hopefully you guys are doing good. It's a bit cloudy outside. Seems like it's gonna rain today. Yeah, enjoy whatever it is that you have to do today. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. And enjoy your day. Wherever in the world that you are, enjoy your day. And be safe. Corona is still out in these streets. Be safe, y'all. We're making a porridge. Oh!
The husband is coming.
The husband is coming. Tell us that the husband is coming. We hear the door. The husband not coming at all. The husband gone somewhere else. If the husband was coming, he would have reached here already.
Maybe he went to the toilet.
This boy is too much, I can't. And I'm boiling some eggs over here. And if you guys want to know how I make plantain porridge, check out my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, or scroll down, you'll see the link at the bottom of this page directly to my channel.
Bonjour tout le monde. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night to one new day.
Mama?
It's early morning. It's just 9:15, but everybody's already awake, and since a long time, Tyler is still the clock of the family. Yes, Tyler?
You know that you have the big. I'm going to give you the biggest spoon and Sarah
cool.
the smallest.
So I hope you all had a good weekend. Well, breakfast looks good. Looks good.
It's me deciding.
I'm gonna tell you after I taste it, and I hope you
Papa,
enjoy today's vlog.
it's me. It's my choice.
Come.
Look at these two outside. Sarah living her best life in her car.
Who did that?
Look at all that here.
Who did that, Sarah? Sarah did that.
We're in the garage with Tyler, letting him get some more practice on his bike. Look at this one, she. You wanna try put the seat higher, babe? Hey, hey you. What you doing, girl? Why you tearing that up? What? Tell them you need a princess bike. You want a princess bike? You want a princess bike? Tell them you want a princess bike for your birthday. You don't want no boy bike. Tell them you want a princess bike. You want a princess bike? What's this? Bicycle. What it is? Bicycle. Entire crew took their bike out. That's my bike. I haven't rode my bike in over 3 years. I stopped riding my bike when I was pregnant with Sarah. So I took it out, pump it up, and taking it for a ride. What better way to spend the Sunday afternoon? Oh, what it is when everybody in nearby. Sarah, what's up, Sarah? Sunday flex with the fam bam. Who's ready for the race? Me. Who's going? Me. Oh, Sarah, you going because you're stationed. You can't move. You guys, this is what we've been doing all evening, riding, and it's so much fun. But it's time for me to pack up my bike and go cook dinner. Look how cute is everybody on their bike. Next year this time we can ride out in the streets when Sarah's foot can touch that pedal properly. And she's having so much fun just sitting there. She don't want to get off. Sarah, you ready to ride? Let's go. Let's go. Alright you guys, let's go home. Alright guys, dinner for the fam bam is ready. Babe, mine, Tyler, Sarah. Grub time. Delaveaus night night. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Can I blow them a kiss? See you later.
See you later.
Go tell Tai Tai bye bye. Tai. Give her a kiss. Sarah, give brother a kiss. Sarah! Oh my God. You play too much, Sarah.
Sarah, one last time.
When is she leaving?
Bye-bye.
Ta-da.
Tell Papa bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Au revoir. À demain. Allez, fais-moi un bisou. Allez, t'as écrit correctement.
What did you do?
Perfect.
They don't mind you ending the vlog like that. They can go ahead. I'll be your hand.
You
Oh my God. You can end the vlog like that.
Put your hands. I mean, we have 4 hands.
You're too terrible. Since you don't want me, I'll just stare on the back here.
Hi guys. Good evening. It's the
He
end.
cuts me out.
I didn't pause because of you, because I wanted to cough. This is the end of the day. This is the end of the Sunday. We have a good day. I had a good day. You had a good day?
I had a good day. My favorite part was in the garage.
No, bike. That's a good idea for future activities. Biking in family. Tyler's family bike, he started bad, but he finished well. I think
It's
after
like Tyler had forgot how to bike.
he was motivated after, and yeah, he went to run after on the treadmill. He ran like a champion. Next race, you don't want to miss it. He will kill it. He will literally kill it. Otherwise, that was a good day.
Yeah, we had fun.
We have
I
fun.
loved in the garage.
We're all getting better, so the
Oh
activities
yeah, the voice coming
are
back.
back to come back. The activities for next week are back to come back.
Let's fix the car first, shall we?
I have appointment tomorrow at the garage to hopefully the car have nothing's serious, finger crossed. So yeah, I know tomorrow what's going on, and yeah, let's see what's going on. You have anything to say for your defense?
No, I'm just around the back here where you fling me peeking out and listening.
Alright guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, to like, to comment, to
Subscribe,
to
tell your friend and tell them to tell a friend and tell
the
a friend.
notification bell, and tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friends to, yes. Something else you have to say?
Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow if Babe let me.
Maybe
If you
tomorrow
let
we'll
me
be
out
still
from
in the same
behind him.
position.
Exactly, if you let me out from behind him.